Hello guys, now we in bike park OBERAMMERGAU. It's easy loop system. If you're interested how it works like this one. And now I want to show you two nice mixes of trails here that you can ride after rains. It was last week, was all week of rain here, so and today it's not all trails is dry, but if you check right trails you can ride without many dirt of your wheels and without all this massive mud on your bike. Also today I want to show you some new trail here. It's a new piece of jump line, so we'll see. This is a map of the trails, and today Kleine Hobbit is one of my favorite trail here. It's really dirty, so Fifth and Shrek the same, but we have flow trail, Wurzesep, and some part of this trail if you want to mix. It's really nice. So now I want to show you switchbacker. It's hard line, it's more technical line, but it's dry line. And also there is not so fast line, so you can ride in even it's raining here. And also I'll show you a new piece of jump line. So let's start. This very technical line, switchbacker, so you can just upgrade your skills if you need, but no, not much people like lines like this one, so you need better to watch video before you take this line. So one moment when you can switch to Kleine Hobbit if you don't like these moments, all these moments of the trail. But now it's it's not good because it's wet trail, so this trail is not so wet, it's dry and it's not too much speed here, so it's almost fine. I take a wrong line, yeah. but second chance for me, second chance. Okay, yeah. Whew. Yep, and this is the switch to Kleine Hobbit, to the end of this trail. Whew. Yep. And this is a moment of lift when this first lift is finished, so you can start your jump line just from this point. Now we can start. It's my friend. We'll see what expected for us. Hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Whoop. And there's two lines here, biggest one and small one. So I want to try small one because biggest one I'm not sure that for me it's fine for today, maybe for future, I don't know. And I don't want to stop after that, so maybe if my speed will be enough, I can jump every moment just to the end, and it will be good. So okay, you will try drop or drop?
Drop, ja, genau.
Ja, my friend spreche Deutsch. Das,
Deutsch, genau.
ja, das ist gut, perché my Deutsch is not good. Chui! This second jump is for me not good because it's always jump through the nose. Oh! Hop. Yep. Yep. Yeah, now this line is much better than it was before. But my speed is not enough. Yeah. Almost, almost. And big drop, big drop, big drop. Yep. Not so big, but the biggest one. Hop, hop, hop. And in this moment you need to be careful. Ja. Das ist fantastisch.
War zu schnell.
Zu schnell?
Zu schnell, ja.
Okay, guys, for today, thanks for your view and have a good one.